here from Global Buildtech Australia. Had our first granny flat build using cross-laminated timber. So you can see up here, this ceiling, that's what we use for all of the roofing, structural walls and flooring. So 90mm thick walls and roof, 120mm thick floors. So fantastic large panels, fast to assemble, great to work with. So on top of that, we've obviously got the deck here. We've got McMahon decking, we've got hardwood posts, and we've got what you can see there's a glue lamb beam up to support the roof as well. So we've got CLT as a structure, glue lamb beams and hardwood posts to support on this end. You can see how that's a beautiful natural timber. Then what we've done is we've done a WeatherTech external cladding, which is a recycled sustainable material made from timber waste, timber products. So it comes up and it gives a perfect exterior cladding. And then on the roof, on top of the CLT roof, if you come back here, you need to come back here further, and over this side. Now you can see the steel colorbond roof here. So that was put up with a 1.2 insulating blanket as well for the insulation and the energy efficiency. But you can see from this angle, we've got the CLT structure, the Merbau deck, the WeatherTech cladding and the colorbond roof, and underneath we put it on surefoot footings, which are adjustable steel posts to make sure that we get all the levels right. So yeah, that's about the story of the first CLT building.